Yo, what's up YouTube? So today we are going to get the brand new Polaris 850 switchback Assault, and I am freaking stoked about it. Currently we are driving to the dealership, a long little haul, but I am stoked. I can't believe that Polaris came out with a new 850. I heard it rips. I saw a dyno test the other day, 170 horsepower. It looks insane. They said that I saw the shootout numbers, and if I remember correctly, the 850 ran at 1,000 yards, 101 miles per hour, and I think it was like 9.9 seconds in 1,000 yards. And it beat the Skidoo 850 by like 4 miles per hour and like I think almost a half a second. So this thing is gonna rip. I'm excited to show you guys, so stay tuned, and I'll be back, catch you back when we get to the dealership. All right guys, so we officially made it to the dealership. I'm so stoked, can't wait. Been waiting since April of last year, but we made it to the dealership. Here it is. Nice little small dealership. Oh, it's outside, baby. It's outside. There it is. Chilling. Look at that. Look at that beauty right there. Look at it. I am so stoked to show you guys. Get the truck pulled up. Boom. So guys, look at this thing. Just so sick. Can't wait to get some stuff for you. But here is the new 850 Assault switchback. Freaking looks nice. Look at how nice this thing looks, guys. My first impressions on this thing is it looks sick. I can't wait. Tomorrow I will be going up north and getting the break-in ride done on it. So, freaking gnarly, guys. All right, guys, I'll hit you back when I'm loading it up. Guys, here it is. Polaris Assault 850. About to load it up. We'll do a little first startup real quick. I'm excited. Let's get it. All right, guys, we got it home. Got it home, guys. I'm so excited right now. So the sled in the trailer looking spiffy. So my first impression so far on this sled is, oh my God, how beautiful it looks. Polaris constantly is just upping their game every year. New motor, new style, better parts. I mean, it's just amazing. I love it so much. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be riding it tomorrow up north, upstate New York. We got a couple feet of snow up there, limited to the hill, but I cannot wait to get on this beast, run it, tell you guys how I like it, get it broken, and then do some wheelies for you. So check back. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and ring that bell so you guys know when I post another video. Like I said, tomorrow I should be going up north, so by Sunday maybe I'll have the video out of my first ride, first impression of the snowmobile. Thank you guys. Peace.